Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with Bear, the best cooking show on YouTube, if I do say so myself. Today we got a brand new recipe. It's chicken and broccoli casserole. Keto friendly, of course, because we're on the diet, so sounds good. Y'all sit back, relax, and let me do the cooking. And alright y'all, we're going to start out here making the sauce for our broccoli casserole. And it starts out with melting 4 tablespoons of butter, and so we're gonna melt that up. And you guys can hear in the background I got the microwave going. The nice thing about this recipe is you can use leftovers. The chicken's in there, the broccoli, it's all cooked ahead of time, well, supposedly ahead of time, but it all you don't have to cook it as you need it. Now today I am going to be using canned chicken because that's what I have. I don't have any leftover chicken that I cooked up, so we're going to use the canned stuff. Hopefully it turns out, but it should. So alright, I'm gonna melt this butter up, and when we get to the next part, I'll turn the camera back on. Alright y'all, got that butter all melted. Out of this we want to add 1 cup of heavy cream, and we're basically just going to warm that up. Maybe get that all out of there. Okay, kind of stir that around, get that butter fat back into that, or add the butter to that cream. It shouldn't take more than just a minute or so here to get that warmed up. Alright, I think we're pretty decent on that. So now we need a half a package of cream cheese. And they say to cut it into little cubes. I imagine that's so that it melts easier. So we're going to break it up into small pieces there. Get it off my knife. Maybe. There we go. Rag here, wipe my hands off. Sounds like our broccoli is about done, so I'll need to check that here shortly. Just keep mixing that around until that cream cheese is all good and melted. If you ain't got one of these spatulas, it's a spoon spatula, you need to get yourself one. They are awesome. A friend of mine gave me this one because she loves it, so she loves hers. I just keep smooshing this stuff up. Alright y'all, I'm going to keep doing this until this is all melted, and we'll bring you right back. Alright y'all, that cream cheese is pretty well melted. She's starting to get bubbly and melty, or bubbly, so we're going to add I'm going to add a heaping cup of sharp cheddar cheese to that. Just stir that around until that melts. I'm going to shut the heat off, let my burner stay warm for a while. So alright, looks like that cheddar cheese is melting up nicely. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm going to take this off the heat, set it over yonder. Kind of clean my stove top up there a little bit. I got a little cheese on the burner. So, got a little more cheese on there. Anyways, okay. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350 degrees. And I'm going to check my broccoli. And we'll bring you guys back when we're ready to put this all together. Alright, y'all. We're going to assemble this now. I'm going to use olive oil spray. Because that's what I have. You can use avocado oil, which I'll be getting some as soon as I'm done with this. So it says to spray your pan with it. And I got my chicken here. So we'll get that all broke up there and kind of moved around so it's kind of even. And then our broccoli. Our broccoli all on top there. I think I need more broccoli, but we're going to go with it. Either more broccoli or a smaller pan. They call for 9 by 13, so. Alright, now take our cheese sauce here. And just dump it over top. Make sure you scrape the bottom of that pan, get all that goodness out of there. Alright. Schmooze that around. Get that cheesy sauce everywhere. Yeah, I think their measurements are a little bit off on their recipe, but we're going with it. We can adjust it as we get down the road, so if we make it again, we'll know. So, all right. Now, this is where you, in a normal recipe, you'd use breadcrumbs. We're not going to use breadcrumbs. We're using pork rinds. So. This is more pork rinds than I'm going to need, but I've got a couple other recipes that call for the same exact thing. Instead of breadcrumbs, you use the pork rinds. So we're doing a whole bunch of them up here. Alright, I'm going to get these broke up good, and we'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all. We got our pork rind topping here. And what I ended up doing was just taking my measuring cup and smashing them down, get them to the consistency I wanted. So that worked out pretty good. I think we're going to have just enough of the pork rinds. I'll have to make more up to do my other recipes. So, all right, there we go. Alright, now once my oven warms up here, we're going to throw this in the oven, make it, and it'll be deliciousness. So let me get that done and we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, we just pulled this out of the oven here. It's hot and bubbly, so I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, but y'all, it smells awesome. So like I said, I'm going to let her sit for just a few here and kind of cool down and kind of congeal up a little bit, and we'll get a plate full and do a little taste testing. All right, y'all, it's time for the taste test. So it's still pretty hot, so I'm gonna get another bite. Man, that cheese sauce that's on there, that is awesome. And of course, to wash her down, I've got a little Lipton Pure Leaf unsweetened iced tea. That's good stuff too. I like unsweetened iced tea. Don't Southern people don't hate on me. You know, I don't like really sweet stuff. Little sweet's okay, but overly sweet, nah. So, all right, y'all. There you have it. Great keto friendly meal there. The chicken and broccoli casserole. That cheese sauce that we put over there, awesome. The pork rind topping, it's still crunchy. It is awesome too. So there's 0 carbs in pork rinds, so you can have those. The breadcrumbs have carbs, so you know, can't have them. So appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Hope you're gonna try it. I will put a link or put the recipe in the description of the video. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, the original recipe called for almonds. I don't do almonds, so if you like almonds, you can put almonds in it, on it, whatever. But I am not an almond fan, so just don't like the taste of them. So, anyways, appreciate y'all, and as always, bon appetit. Thanks for watching.